Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the DISM error 87. So let's go quick into the process. There is just a very simple resolution for this. In the Windows search bar, type CMD. In the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here, just simply follow me for the command. So first command is DISM space / online space / clean up dash image space / restore health. So it's DISM space / online space / clean up dash image space / restore health. Then we have to hit on the enter key. So this process will take some time depending on your Windows for the duration of the process, but here's a tip. If you're stuck at a certain percentage, just continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you. And once this goes up to 100%, then just simply close out of here. Then in the Windows search bar, type CMD again. Then you have to click on Run as Administrator. And here you need to type the second command as subc space / scan now. So these two commands, this will scan for and repair any system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations, and obviously that will fix the DISM error 87. So sfc space / scan now, then you have to hit on enter. Now this process will also take some time depending on your Windows. And once this process will goes up to 100%, then you can just simply close out of here. So once this process goes up to 100%, then you can just simply close out of here. Then finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So you just have to simply enter this command and the very first command that I've shared to you. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.